Thank you guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to talk about the KYC, how you can do the KYC. So first of all, you need to navigate to your app. You can go to your app, then on your app home page you can click here on your profile. After clicking on your profile, you can see KYC. Click on that, click on that, click on that which I've marked with red. Then after that it will bring you to the update photo page for the KYC. Your image needs to be clear, so you can wipe your camera so that it be clear, your front camera, and also you need to capture it in a well lit environment so that it can be accepted. If you capture blurry photos, they will not accept. So click update, then it will take you. You can either use a camera live or upload, just like you can see. Yeah, the first one, you just take a photo, then use photo. That is to verify that it's you. So the second one, here you can see the second one is where you can see there is successful verification and the face too far. So your face needs to be inside the oval thing, all over circle, because if you take it too far, the infrared will not be able to read your face. Yes, because it's using the lights to capture your face and match with the other picture that you took earlier. So kindly make sure you do it, and it's within 7 seconds. That is why it's so hard for many people. Click start verification, click allow, then you wait till it says connect. Then when it says move closer, you move closer to the oval. As you can see, using lights, it's using light to verify it's you, just like you can see from the video. Yeah, you can see it's successful. So guys, make sure to subscribe, and also after verifying you will be given favorite games. So make sure you do your KYC wisely, and thank you. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Thank you.